number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Saddleworth, a very nice place it is too. The system's a sealed system, a system boiler. The customer has got some cold radiators downstairs. They're not quite getting the flow downstairs, so we've been asked to power flush the whole central heating system. It's a fairly large system. We have actually got a good flow through the system. We've started to break through some of the blockages that are in the pipes, etc. So the job's going okay. I'll just tell you about what power flushing is, about our company, who we are, etc. Okay, my name's Barry Ayres of Pro-powerflushing. We are a professional power flush company. We're fully gas safe registered, and we power flush central heating systems throughout the northwest UK area. We only use the best equipment and chemicals for our power flush, being the Camco range of magnets, equipment and chemicals. The job takes most of the day to complete. It's fully power flushed to BS 7593 standard. You will receive a certificate upon completion of the power flush. So if you've got a utility contractor, you know, like with British Gas, Home Survey on, etc., this is all okay with them. We actually believe we're one of the best power flush companies in the country. We've just done too many power flushes to not know what we're doing. The areas we cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometowns, Bramwell, Stockport. So we basically cover Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Derby, parts of Stafford, parts of Nottinghamshire for our power flushing service. Okay? So what is power flushing? Power flushing is just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, through your boiler, your pipework, your radiators, etc. Just getting it all nice and clean, and getting the rust and corrosion out. That's what that magnet's for there, right in the middle of the picture. Basically, power flushing is the best thing you can do to your central heating system. It is very, very important, especially if you're having a new boiler fitted, or if your old boiler is starting to struggle, starting to go slow downs, sluggish, and things like that. If you're having a new boiler fitted, always get your central heating system professionally power flushed. So if you are getting a competitive quote through your heating engineer, just make sure he's power flushing it properly. And we mean by doing things, you know, doing the flush like this, not just running mains water through the system. In all honesty, that just won't do it. It could actually cause more damage. This is the only way to get a system properly clean. If you just think about it as an oil change for your central heating, I mean, you wouldn't put a new engine in your car and put the old oil in. And unless you're having it power flushed, effectively that is what you're doing. Also, if your new boiler breaks down within the first year or two, the manufacturer sends their engineers out. You know, it could actually invalidate your warranty if they find rust and corrosion inside the boiler. You know, and it may cost you some fairly, expensive new parts, or even possibly a new boiler, because at the end of the day they'll just say, it's not been power flushed to BS 7593 standard, and it will more than likely invalidate your warranty. As we said before, we're fully gas safe registered. This is really important. It means we can get right into your central heating system, right into your boiler, take components off sometimes, which we need to, which other power flush companies, if they're not gas safe registered, legally won't be allowed to do. Okay, so we also fit boilers, and we always power flush the central heating system. So if you do want a competitive quote for your boiler fit and a proper power flush, just give me a call, and I'm sure we can sort you out with a new boiler and a power flush. Okay, the job's going really well. We're just going to get on with it, and we'll get back to you later on. Bye. Hi, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, the power flush is going okay. We're still rinsing it through with a chemical, etc. We've got a much better flow downstairs now, so we're going to take a look at the magnet. Yeah, wow, look at that. Look at that metal and rust and corrosion that's coming out of the central heating system. There's some fairly big pieces on there as well, and that's what power flushing is all about. It's about getting all this rust, corrosion and metal out of the central heating system. You just have a look at that. You imagine that going through your boiler, especially combination boilers with plate heat exchangers now, with the diverter valves, the pumps, etc. Eventually it's just going to wreck it, and that's what professional power flushing is all about. It's about removing all that corrosion out of the system, and remember, we only use the best chemicals to break that corrosion down and to get it out of your central heating system, okay, and the best equipment. Alright, the job's going really well. We'll just get on with it, and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Okay, barriers, we've just put the inhibitor in. We actually put it in front of the customer, that's why the water's cloudy now. And there it is, Centimex 100. We actually broke the seals, put it in front of the actual customer. Okay, job's going all right. You know, we're well getting on with it now. We're going to let that circulate around for 15 minutes, put everything back together, and we'll see how we've done. Okay, because at the end of the day, the radiators at the back of this property just weren't heating up. Okay, but we know they're going to heat up now. We've got a good flow through them. Right, we'll just get on with the job. We'll get back to you later. Bye. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, that's a power flush done now. The radiator's heating up nicely. This particular radiator hardly had any heat in it before. Now we're actually into triple figures. As you can see, we've got the thermal camera on. So if you need any power flushing done, this is in Saddleworth today. Just give me a call on telephone number 07836 353 985 or contact us through our website. Thank you very much. Bye.